Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Automobile Engineering, Unit 5 Electrical Systems and Vehicle Maintenance, we are going to discuss lithium ion battery in today's lecture. So the contents of this video are lithium ion battery, that is the lithium battery, the construction of lithium ion battery, working principle, advantages, disadvantages and application. Lithium is lightest of metal and it can float on water. So lithium is a metal which is very light and it can also float on metal. The electrochemical properties of lithium are excellent and it also is highly reactive material. So the electrochemical properties are good and it is a reactive material. These properties give lithium the potential to achieve very high energy and power densities in high density battery applications such as automotive and standby power. So it is having that unique property to achieve the highest density or to achieve very high energy, which is the primary requirement of a battery, and typically for the applications of automobiles and stationary applications. Lithium batteries are primary batteries in which lithium metal or lithium compound acts as an anode. So here anode part will be the lithium, and a lithium cell can produce voltage from 1.5 volts to about 3 volts based on the type of material used. So generally lithium metal is used or lithium compounds are used. So here you can see in the construction of a lithium ion battery, typically it is having, so the lithium part, the positive part, the negative part is the host, that is the next part is the carbon separated here. The insulating or the separator which will insulate the anode and cathode, and organic electrolyte which will pass the charge and which can be sensed in the form of potential difference in the voltmeter. So here again the same construction is shown for a lithium ion battery, wherein you can see the separator part is there, the lithium ions, the anode, the cathode, the anode. So the same part here can be seen, that is the separator are there, anode plate, the cathode plate, the electrolyte is there, the positive terminal, the gasket packing at the top, and the sealing plate. So these are the main components of a lithium ion battery. So in this diagram also you can see 72 ampere hour single slab battery. So these cells are connected, there's many cells are connected to form a bus terminal, and here in this diagram you can see 16 modules are connected in series to make 48 volt battery pack, and here in this case you are having 72 ampere hour battery. Now construction of lithium ion battery. So lithium ion cells has 4 layer structure. A positive electrode made with lithium cobalt oxide has current collector made up of thin aluminum foil, that is the cathode. A negative electrode made with specialty carbon has a current collector of thin copper foil. So again aluminum and copper, that is the anode part is of the copper foil, and the cathode part, that is the positive terminal, is the lithium cobalt material. A separator is a fine porous polymer film. So polymer, it is generally it is acting as a insulator and a separator. An electrolyte made with lithium salt is an organic solvent. So lithium salt, organic solvent, is used as an electrolyte. Working principle. So during the charge or discharge processes, the lithium ions are inserted or extracted from interstitial space between the atomic layers within the active material of the battery. So the lithium ions are either inserted or extracted from the space between the atomic layers of the active material. So here, which is the active material? The lithium oxide and the copper coils. Simply, lithium ion is transferred between the anode and cathode through lithium electrolyte. So lithium salt, as I told you before, that is the lithium salt acts as a electrolyte. Since neither the anode nor the cathode materials essentially change, the operation is safer than the lithium metal battery. So here you can see that the electrons pass through the layers of the electrolyte between the here this is the separator here, okay, the anode part and the cathode part. So the lithium cobalt and charging and discharging process, so that is the lithium cobalt oxides are formed due to the exchange of electrons. Now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of lithium ion battery. So advantages are, first, they have high energy density than other rechargeable batteries, less in weight, they produce high voltage about 4 volts as compared with other batteries, they have improved safety, more resistance to overcharging, hold their loss only 5% of its charge every month. So the loss of charge is also very minimum. Disadvantage is what? Very expensive, more sensitive to temperatures. If separator gets damaged, it can burst into flames. So again, the separator material, if it is damaged, it can burst the battery. Last only 2 to 3 years from the manufacturer. So here the life is also less, 2 to 3 years of battery life. Now what are the applications of lithium ion battery? Electric cars. Nowadays electric cars, lithium ion battery is used. Again, lithium ion battery is used in cameras, calculators. They are used in telecommunication equipments, TVs, pagers, portable radios and equipments, other equipments. So they are generally, again, your laptop batteries, mobile phone batteries and aerospace application are, these batteries are also lithium ion batteries. So these are the references. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.